It actually looks better in person. It looks like the video's flickering a little bit with the phone. Maybe the refresh rate. And when you slow down, they just go into a random, into that little pattern like that. And that's what happens if you don't have the sensors on. With the sensors, you get the images like that. I'm just wondering if it needs flipping round so it's central, but I'm happy with that. And they are bright, as you can see. They're lighting up the entire shed. So what you've got to do is make sure that that sensor there is level with that chip there, that little white chip, and that wasn't in the instructions. It showed it lining up with that, there was no mention of this chip. And then the mode button selects between back wheel and front wheel, so it swaps the images, inverts them upside down. So the front wheel, obviously you want to be the other way to the back wheel. So that's it. I've got 2 cable ties holding the battery compartment. It's not perfect, that. I'm going to take it off and seal it with rubber. Just put some non-slip rubber on it. And then that, the actual LED's got 2 cable ties round there, 1 round there like that, and then 1 at that end. And it is absolutely solid. There's no way that's moving anywhere. And then what I've done, I've just put the software on my laptop so I can alter the images if I need to on my laptop, bring it into the shed rather than taking the bike in the house. Yeah, and that's it really. Just make sure you tighten them up because that's your waterproof bit. And the front one, obviously it's not going to work very well, but there you go, that's the front one. I can't spin it and hold the handlebars as well, unfortunately. There you go. Looks pretty good. And then they automatically, you leave them on like that, you can actually just leave them. And then after about 4, the back one seems to take longer. The back one takes about 6 to 7 minutes, and the front one takes about 3 minutes to power down. Or you can just turn them off. So I'm going to take the batteries out now and charge them. But even like that, they look pretty funky. And then once they've gone off, as soon as you start moving again, they start up. They pick the motion up with the sensors. Okay, hope that helps a little bit. I'll post a link to the software because I've made the software a bit easier as well, rename the files and things. So I'll put that on under the video. Okay.